What's up, everybody? It's your boy D from Fireplug. I just wanted to say hey and welcome to the channel. Well, got a lot going on. I am, first off, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Dykes. I am a graphic designer slash videographer slash photographer. I got a lot going on. Recently lost my job about 4 months ago, which is okay because I think that it was more of a push to actually do that, to get myself motivation to actually do what I love, which is the design. I actually do like to design more than working. I guess they say that when you find what you love to do, it ain't work no more. Well, that's true, and then it's not, because sometimes we can always, get burned out, I guess you could say, from doing videos, doing designs. Me, I do flyers. I do flyers, logos. I've done motion graphics, and I'm also a videographer and putting together stuff for the United Way. There's a video I'm doing right now for Toombs Montgomery United Way. Putting that together. Got one more interview, I think, and then I'll be able to have that put together. Let's talk about lenses. Lenses are going to be key when you're wanting to be a videographer or anything like that. You've got a lot of potential whenever you have the right equipment. Well, you have to know how to use the equipment as well, because if you don't know how to use the equipment, what's the point in even doing it? So you do have to practice with your equipment, become familiar with your equipment. I don't know what else to say right about now. Just testing this to see what it sounds like, and hopefully we're not peaking or nothing. So let's see.